the doubling, I used double and double again. So instead of 4 times 18, it was 2 times 18, and then add that together. A few people like that one. Alright. Anybody think they could come and try that one out on the board? That was the double and double again. No one? Alright, that's alright. What about C? Tidy numbers. Anyone think they could do tidy numbers on the board for this one? There's a few takers. Alright, Miss Foden, come on down. We're talking about 4 times 18, and Miss Foden is going to demonstrate tidy numbers. Go for it. Give her a clap, ladies and gentlemen. Very nice, very nice. Okay. So, somebody else. I just drew on myself. Somebody else, please tell me what she did there. What did she do, Belinda?
4 times 18. Instead of 4 times 18, she did 4 times 20.
Yep.
And then she did 4 20s. And then instead of doing like 4 times 20, she did 4 times 8. And then 4 times 2.
Yeah.
And then it goes 8, and then it is 0. And then she minus the 2's she added on. So that was 18 minus 8. It goes 72.
Yeah, absolutely. Nice. So, Louise knew that 18 is close to 20. So she added on that 2 to get her up to 20. Quite hard to skip count in 18s. 18, 36, something else. But skip counting in 20s, unless you're busy. No, you're not busy? Okay. Skip counting in 20s, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, seems quite a lot easier. So I can see why she would have gone for the 20s there. And then she knew at the end that she needed to take off the extra 2, the extra 2's that she put on. There was 4 2's that she added on, which is 8. So then it was just 20, 40, 60, 80, minus the 8, 72. Lovely, very nice, I like it a lot. Now, what about, oh hold on, sorry, questions? Yeah, so that comes back to this other one that nobody actually took me up on, the double and double again. So, if you knew 2 times 18 is what you're saying?
Yeah.
If you knew 2 times 18, what is that?
36.
Alright. And then what do you do with your 36?
Double it again 2 times 18.
Yeah, right, okay, so 2 times 18 again.
36. 36 times 36 equals 72.
Okay, right. So, instead of doing the 4 times 18, you've just broken the 4 times 18 in half. So 2 groups of 18, another 2 groups of 18, whack them all together. Happy days, good system. I like it. Okay. What about the old place value? Oh, a lot of takers for place value. Sweet cream, you want to come do it on the board?
Which one is it? Is it D?
Alright, Mr. Neil Nelly, come on up. Do you want to? You don't have to. Place value. What was it? What's the answer?
You have to work it out.
That was the answer that Louise got. You do place value one. If you want to, you don't have to. Yeah, we're doing 4 times 18 still, yeah. Do you want to? Alright, that's okay. Pack, come on down. We don't see you up at the board very much. Very nice. Mantalino babae. Alright, yep. Pack. 4 times 18. So, this is Pack doing place value. Hey, give her a clap. Very nice. Very nice. I want to say, sorry. Some people really enjoy talking to the group and really enjoy sharing their ideas. And that's excellent. Everybody in our class has had a go up here now. But it's really nice. It's really nice to see people volunteering, even though it might not be their favourite thing to do, to talk to the class. It's really nice to see people volunteering to come up instead of me asking them. Well done, Pat. I like that. So, the old place value. I think we all know a little bit about this one. It was 4 times 18. So we just take the tens. There's only 1 in the tens column. So it's 4 lots of 10, 40. And then there's 8 in the ones column. So 4 lots of 8, 32. Add them together. Very nice. Hadrian, a question. We've got the old, we've got the tidy number, we've got the place value, and we've got the double and double again. Hand up if you would be more comfortable doing tidy number. If that would be your favourite out of these 3, put your hand up if that would be your favourite. Not too many. What about the old place value? Hand up if that would be your favourite. Yeah, absolutely. And you know, alright. And then what about over here, this double and then double again? Who would likely use that? Who would think that's probably the easiest way for me? Alright, nice. Very nice. Okay. Now, like I say, like we said the other day, there's probably going to be times when this is the best, times when this is the best, or times when this is the best. Some of these questions though, like this one, perhaps there's a few of them that are the best, and it just depends on you. Perhaps it's a bit like ice cream, you know? Strawberry, chocolate, gold rush, jelly tip, whatever. Everybody likes a different thing. Maybe it's like that. I'm just going to talk about my favourite one real quick. The doubling and halving. Not many people said they were into the doubling and halving. It was E, the green one in the middle there. And what he's done, he's gone 4 times 18. And then it doesn't actually tell you what he did explicitly, but it says there, 4 times 18 equals 8 times 9.
How did he get the 4 and half?
Good question, Gia. How did he get the 8 times 9? Anybody? Christelle, what was it?
He doubled the 4 and half the 18.
Absolutely, he doubled the 4 and half the 18. So that's times 2 for the 4, divided by 2 for the 18. 4 times 2 equals 8. 18 divided by 2, or split in half, is 9. So he got 8 times 9. 8 times 9 is 72. That's just our basic facts. Does it work every time, as in, every time I do 4 times 18 it will work? With other questions? We're going to get to that. It's a really good question. I'm glad you asked it. So, right now, we're going to think about 9 times 24. With your partner, and remember, good job. It's about the sharing skills. So, 9 times 24. With your partner, I want you to look at each one of these strategies. I want you to decide which one you would use, and if there's any that you just wouldn't use, any that just wouldn't work. If there are any of these strategies that just wouldn't work for 9 times 24. Go, I'll give you about 4 minutes. Go.